Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with some happy mail all the way from Hawaii. And from my girl Ginger Pana. She sent me, well, she and I were doing the zine swap collab last year, and she was sending me her last couple of zines. So I'm just gonna get in here. It looks like she sent me something else because this is kind of big for just zines. And so Ginger, you didn't have to send me anything, but I'm excited. And so you can check out her channel. Of course, I will have her link below. And she's a strong woman of God, and she lets her faith be known, and she's a wonderful creator. And I love her zines. There we go. Let's just dive in. One day, Hawaii is on my list. My daughter's been there to Kauai twice, and I have not even been to the West Coast. One day, ooh, look what I see. Ooh, uh-oh, my grandson gonna have a fit when he see that coming in here. Yummy, yummy. Uh-oh. Onion and garlic macadamias. Okay. That should be interesting taste. Alright, let's check all of these goodies out. You know I love trying snacks in different places. Oh wow. Cool stuff. Oh, look at this pretty felt. Oh, I like those colors. I can tell it's soft just from feeling it on the through the package. Yes, this is nice. I like this felt. Hand washed. This is Daiso. So we don't have a Daiso here. So I see how you guys posting Daiso hauls. We do not have a Daiso. So thank you. That's my first thing from Daiso. I'm open that last. So I showed you the macadamians. Maui onion and garlic macadamians. My sister's gonna be mad because she's not here to get some. And Maui Caramax, creamy caramel and macadamias covered with white chocolate. Macadamias are so delicious. Ooh. Oven roast coffee, an Allen favorite. Oh, my kids, they're coffee drinkers, which is weird. They love coffee more than I do. So they would love this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells good. Thank you. They would love that too. Nice manicure set. Oh, I love this case. It feels so good. So I can open it right quick. Oh, I gotta use scissors. Sorry about that. Somebody was calling, and I'm not videotaping today on my phone. So anyway, this is a cute little manicure set. Look at that. Nice. I love this. Perfect. That is so cute, and it's got the beautiful swans on it. Oh my. So this is some embroidery thread. I like this. And this is from Daiso. Again, Daiso Japan. We don't have that. So I love the mixed colors as well. So this is a 12-pack. It's got some instructions on how to make some stitches on the back. Like that. Okay. Oh, look at this calendar. Flowers. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. This is when I love photography. Beautiful pictures. Look at hibiscus. I took a beautiful one when I was in Puerto Rico. Oh, it was so beautiful. One of my favorite pictures that I took. They are beautiful flowers. Beautiful. So thank you. Definitely can always use that. So again, we got another one of the caramels, and this one is the Mac Nut Crunch milk chocolate covered macadamias crisp and rice. Yes. So we got some more crisp and rice, and this one is Aloha Max creamy milk chocolate covered macadamians. Two of those. So each one of those, again, like I said, these are gummy things. Oh yeah, my grandson gonna grab those as soon as he see those. He was like, oh, that pineapple, they are so cute. I love that shape, that which makes sense. And so then we have this. Thank you. I love these rosettes because, you know, I struggle with, I can make them. Oh, you got heart ones in here. I gotta try that. And I love the colors, so I would definitely be making some embellishments out of this. This is a nice rack. Thank you. So I love these colors. Oh, you got some with the netting on it too. Ah, I hadn't done that either. So it looks like there's a layer over top of it. I like that. So this will get you set up for you want to make some wow, okay. So it's like right over top of it. I like that idea. Wow, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try that. So that makes it very pretty, and the glittery ones as well. So thank you so much. I love all the beautiful colors. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That'll save me some time too, and I don't have all of those. Definitely can make some embellishments with that. And then also some hand sanitizer. I mean hand sanitizer. Lotion, can't think. And then last but not least, my zines. So she sends me a card. Live life in full bloom. Yes, I will enjoy the rest of your zines, and no need to apologize. And it was really fun working on them for you too. Yeah, I think we were the only ones that did finish the collab. Oh, yes, Gina. Okay, so, oh, look at this bag. This is so pretty with them purses. Oh, I'm feeling that. Love that. So let's just jump right on in. So, oh, look how many she sent me. I don't think you'll be that many, but hey, I'm excited. I take all of them. So this just adds to my book of zines. And zines are pretty cool. Zine is short for magazine, in case you haven't seen a zine before. And it's just a folded, like 8 sheets. I mean, 1 sheet of paper folding. You can use different sizes, but it's folded in such a way that you have like 8 front and back pages. And so it looks like a magazine layout. And they used to use these in business as marketing, like a little booklet. So let's just jump right in. So this one says trust. And I recognize these stickers because I had these from the Dollar Tree as well, and I love that. So you can see the dimensionality of it. And so what you do is, after you make it very dimensional, then you photocopy it and then you send it out to somebody. So it's a very inexpensive way to do a swap with somebody, because it's flat. It's just a piece of paper. This is the size of it. So you can mail this in a small envelope to somebody and not break the bank. But it opens up like that, and you cut it down the middle, 2 slots, and then you just fold it. So that's the zine if you haven't seen one of those before. There's a lot of tutorials. I like them. Last year was my first time making them, and they are fun. But hers is so beautiful. So make sure you check out each one of her zines. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not to his own understanding. Proverbs 3:5. I love that. In God I will praise his word. In God I have put my trust. I will not bear what flesh can do unto me. It's Psalms 56:4. But I have trusted in thy mercy. My heart shall rejoice in thy salvation. Psalms 13:5. Commit thy way unto the Lord. Trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalms 37:5. Preserve me, O God, for in thee do I put my trust. Psalm 16:1. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he should direct our paths. So, Proverbs 3:6. And then last but not least, she puts her name. And her Instagram is the same as her name. So, her Instagram, I'm sorry, is Gina J. So check that out too. But it's Ginger Pana. So beautiful, beautiful images. And so like it isn't, you know, you can use any materials that you have at home. But like she used the Dollar Tree stickers, which is what I did a lot of time for my zines, and they were easy to make using those, and it helped me use up my stickers. And a lot of the time the Dollar Tree has dimensional stickers. So this is faithful, forgiving, and free. Love that. And look at the thing, she's got a cross here with the flag on it. She's got some fireworks, can't remember the name. And then you can see the texture in the background too. Love these. Oh my gosh, these images that she had are just the bomb. Dear God, we thank you for the freedom you have given us today. So this is a prayer for God. Father, forgive us for we have gone astray. Bless those. Hold on one second.